So a very good evening to all of you and welcome to BYJU'S exam prep app, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So I hope you all are aware that AILET 2022 admit card is out. So in this class, I'll be discussing how to download it. Important instructions we'll be discussing because instructions are very important. Then we will be discussing about the last 10-day strategy. Okay. So if I'm audible, just write in the comments so that we can move on. Okay. So this is AILET 2022 और ये पीछे National Law University Delhi की building है. So yes, we'll be discussing about how to download admit card also. So I hope you are aware 26th June is the D day, that is the examination date, the date on which the examination will be held. The timing is from 10 to 11:30 a.m. in the morning. That is 1.5 hours. 1.5 घंटा का exam होगा. And it is an offline examination, means you are supposed to take your pen and a paper. Take your pen there inside the examination. It's a pen and paper based examination, right? Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. So this is the official website of National Law University Delhi, and we saw this admit card notification today that AILET 2022 admit card notification was there. So you can click it. This is the notification of the admit card. Yes, I am fine, Movies Malik. So this is basically the notification, official notification of NLU Delhi. Okay. What it says is that from 26 June, from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. we'll be having an examination, or it will be having an examination. And on 16th June after 6 p.m. you can download the AILET. You can say admit card. So today is 16 June and after 6 p.m. yes, you can download it. This is the official website with the help of which you can download it. I will give you, I will tell you in detail. Do not bother. I will help you. First thing. Second thing is, if you have any problem, let's say you have downloaded the admit card, there is a photo issue, there is name issue, or any other problem, you are unable to download the admit card. This is the helpline phone number. Okay. 011-407-87555. You can call on this helpline number between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on all working days. So not on weekdays. Okay. We're not talking about Sunday and all. So try to call between this. Or if you have any problem, you can mail here ailetsupport@nludelhi.ac.in also. Okay. So these are the number and email for any help, any query or any question regarding it. Now, the question is how to download admit card. It's very easy and very simple. Just Google it, AILET 2022. Just you have to go to the Google and just search it. Now, you will get this link, which the link says nationallawuniversitydelhi.in. HTTPS. S means secure. It's a website is secure. So yes, you can open it, AILET 2022, National Law University Delhi, and you will get to this website actually. Yes. Now, after that, you are supposed to register, fill your registered mobile number here, whatever the mobile number you filled while filling your form. And you must have set some password while doing registration. Yes. जब registration कर रहे होगे आपने कुछ password डाला होगा. If you have forgot the password, then there is a provision. Click on this forward password, and when you click on forward password, they will ask you for a phone number, the official registered phone number. You should enter that number, and then you can reset your new password. Okay, so that is how it will work. So once you will log in after entering your registered number, password, you can log in it, and then once you reach the dashboard, and you can download your admit card from there. Okay, now so the admit card will look something like this, like National Law University admit card. So the examination will be on 26th June from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So here your candidate, your name will be written. Please check it whether your spelling etc. is fine. The name, spelling, your parents' name, gender, address is here. The course applied is BALLB, then application number, and here is roll number will be written here. Your category, whether you are from general, SC, ST, EWS, and all, application number, center of examination, etc. Your signature, registrar signature will be there. Okay. Now let's talk about some instructions. The first thing is that please reach 1 hour before the examination. For your, you can say, for safer side, if you are at least 10:50 a.m. before 10:50 a.m. you should be there, because 10:30 a.m. the class will start, the exam. So if you are reaching after 10:50, then you will not be given entry. So please ensure that you should be before 10:15 at any cost, anyhow. So I would say please reach 1 hour before. Okay. The next thing is, yes, there'll be OMR. So you are supposed to carry only admit card, of course, admit card. Then black and blue ball point pen. No, please do not bring a gel pen or something like this. Please do not take such things. ID proof, please take an ID proof with yourself. Water bottle, face mask. Please ensure face mask. Yes, nowadays they are doing strictness in face mask. The next is some people have problem in photos. Let's say you got this admit card and your photo is not clear. Okay, in that case, take the original ID card, any original ID, and take the photograph also. Print out photo, hard copy photograph with you. So it's written, take a photograph and a valid photo ID card, like let's say you have PAN card, Aadhaar card, whatever you have, etc. and all. Okay, take this. Please ensure do not take any digital devices like digital watch, mobile phone, or any other thing. No need to even take this. What happens is sometimes outside the examination hall, people say, sir, where should I put my phone? Do not keep the phone inside your in your home and leave it without this. Please do not take purse, mobile phone. Just take the money, take these things, and that's it. No need to take mobile phone. If you have problem, yes, then at max you can take analog watches. Please do not take digital watches or any other watches which contains calculator or something. It will not be allowed. Analog watches, they have not prohibited. It's not written that analog watch. They are talking about digital watch. So digital watch is not allowed. Generally, we have you can say watches in the examination hall, but you can, if you have problem, you can take analog, not the digital one. Okay. The next is, yes, mask is very important. Sometimes they write that if you do not bring the mask, they will not allow you. Okay, so yes, I hope you are aware that you are not supposed to do any unfair means. Yes, OMR filling, I hope you are aware how to fill the OMR. It should be complete, right? You should not, you can say, leave any mark, and also that is how OMR is filled. 150 questions with 150 marks will be there, and it will be only in English. These things you all are aware of it. Link Daraman, yes, how to download the admit card? It's very simple. Just search AILET 2022. The first link is here, National Law University Delhi.in. Click on it. You will reach here, enter the registered number, enter the password, and you will log in. Okay. It's not that difficult. Okay. The next is, yes, if you are right, you will be given +1 marks. If you are wrong, you will be penalized with negative marking. So be cautious while attempting the examination. And yes, do not mistreat OMR sheet, because if you fold it, wrinkle it, it may be rejected. So please ensure this. And yes, face masks. I'm telling you a lot of time. Yes. Pre-exam instruction mein kya hai? Yes, if possible, take the sanitizer, but at least face mask should be there. In the examination, outside the examination hall, they will be testing your temperature. If your temperature is above 99.14, they will not reject you. They will just take you to the separate room to attempt the examination. Okay. So it's not if you are having a fever or something like this, they will disallow you. No, आपको मना नहीं करेंगे, but वो अलग रूम में ले जाकर आपको एग्जाम दिलवाएंगे. Okay. So ensure that if you have any fever or something like this, or maybe having COVID symptom, it should not spread to others. This is what they have said. Now, these things we have already said how to download it. These are the websites and all. I have discussed it in detail. So this is the exam pattern actually. 50 questions, 50 marks for English, 30 questions, 30 marks for general knowledge, logical reasoning, 70 questions, 70 marks. So 150 questions, 150 marks. Okay. +1 if you are right, -0.25 if you are wrong. This is how it is set. Now, the guidelines of the examination day, I have told you, you should have an admit card, valid original ID. If possible, take the photo. If your photo is not clear in admit card, take the photo. Okay. Now, of course, black, blue, ball point, we have discussed it. You are supposed to carry water bottle, sanitizer, etc. Please do not take any digital thing like calculator, mobile phone, etc. and all. Do not bring such things inside the examination. Please read at least 1 hour before the examination. We have discussed these things. COVID instructions. Now, how to attempt inside the examination? So there is no sectional cutoff. Okay. Or a sectional timing, I would say. There's no sectional timing. In 90 minutes, you can attempt in a way whatever you want. But I will give you some idea. So if you are attempting 30 questions, you should solve it in 8 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes, because these are generally GK questions are one-liner. If you know it, you will mark it. If you don't know it, you will have to move on. Okay. Then English, yes, you will have to think, read and think. So 50 questions you should solve in 27 minutes. And logical reasoning contains 70 questions, so you can give 45 minutes. So this is how you can give timings to different, you can say exam, different portion and all. Okay, or you can say you can give I think 45. It's 90. It's 1.5 hours, right? 90 minutes. So 45 minutes is here. 27 is here. 18 minutes you can give here. So 18 plus 27 is 45 minutes and 45 minutes here. Yes. So 18 minutes to GK, 27 minutes to English, and 45 minutes to logical reasoning. This is how you can try it because if you attempt it in such a way, give less time to GK because it's very easy. It's straightforward. You do not have to think. If you know it, you can mark it very easily. That is what I'm telling you. Okay. How to attempt it? First attempt, I would say the easiest one you should attempt it, because if you are attempting the easiest one for the in the initial portion, you will get some confidence in the examination. That is what I'm telling you. Okay. So, and please ensure do not keep reading comprehension at last, because in the last you will get panicked and you will not be able to solve so try to solve it in the middle somewhere. Okay. And do not start the examination with puzzle or critical reasoning or some tough questions, because if in the initial portion you are not getting good marks or you are not able to solve questions, you may get panicked. So examination or motivation inside the examination is also very, very important. So what you're supposed to do in the last 7 days, of course, attempt mocks, okay, and attempt it in the morning at the same time to ensure you should follow the strict timing and all. Okay, you should, these are the things which you can do, right? Decide your preference of the sections before attempting and all. So if you are attempting more and more mocks, what will happen is inside the examination, now you'll have idea that how to solve this much 150 questions in that 90 minutes. That is what we are discussing it. Okay. Revise GK and practice analytical reasoning in the evening and all. Okay, so that is what you can do. But in the last 2-3 days, stop attempting mocks. In the last 1 or 2-3 days is left. Just keep on revising the things in the last 2-3 days. Right now, you can attempt more and more mocks, but just 1 or 2 days before it, please stop revising. Please stop attempting mocks and revise the current affairs and the basic questions and all. Okay. And yes, if your examination hall is somewhere outside your city, please ensure to reach 1 day before, because do not get panicked if you are, you can say, going the same day, maybe you will miss or something like this. Okay. हाँ, उसी टाइम में बबलिंग करना रंजीत सिंह. Yes, correct. So आप इसीलिए you can have plan like this: 27 plus 8 35 plus 45 90 minutes. ठीक है. तो आप ऐसा मान लो कि अगर बबलिंग करने में लेट्स से 15 मिनट्स तो जाएगा कम से कम मिनिमम, राइट? सो 5 मिनट्स तो यहां से आप 2 मिनट्स माइनस कर देना, मतलब ये 18 है तो 2-3 मिनट्स यहां से माइनस कर दो. ठीक है. 5-7 मिनट्स यहां से, 5-7 मिनट्स यहां से माइनस कर दो. ठीक है. एंड देन 7 मिनट्स यहां से माइनस कर दो. ठीक है. सो देन यू आर लेफ्ट विथ यू कैन से द 15 मिनट्स. तो 15 मिनट्स में बबलिंग भी करना है. सो अगर आप उसको अलग से मान रहे हो तो ऐसे. अदरवाइज जब हम 18 मिनट्स कह रहे हैं, वी आर सेइंग इट यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट इट एंड फिल द OMR. तब मिलाकर के 18 मिनट्स यहाँ, 27 minutes here and 45 minutes here. We are saying that you have to bubble it in the same time. Yes. Okay. Yes. And one more thing is, when you are in, when the question is given and you see some unpredictable question, do not get panicked, because that will be unpredictable for everyone. Do read the question properly. Do not spend too much time on any one question. Okay. If you are unable to solve it, leave this, move on. Because if you are having an ego, I have solved this question, then of course you will skip many of the questions which you were knowing. So do not give too much time to one question. This is very, very important. And since there is negative marking, if you do not know it, leave the question. If you have some idea, let's say you have eliminated 2 options, then yes, you can go for one of them. But if you do not have any idea, please do not attempt guess, because there is minus 0.25 negative marking if you are wrong. Okay. And yes, I have told you, be prepared for the surprises, because surprises are always there. And the last, यस अविनाश कुमार, वही मैं बता रहा हूँ, उसी 90 मिनट्स के अंदर मैं बता रहा हूँ. जैसे 18 मिनट्स इसमें बोला, तो 18 मिनट्स में 30 क्वेश्चन करके वहां OMR फिल भी कर लेना 30 मिनट्स में. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि अभी मॉक प्रैक्टिस करो और OMR फिल करने की प्रैक्टिस करो. ठीक है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग यू. Okay. Yes. Believe in yourself. If you have prepared well, nothing can stop you from achieving your goal. And on 19th June, after the CLAT examination is over, we'll be having analysis of CLAT 2022. And on 26th June, we'll be having an AILET 2022 analysis. So do not forget to join us here also. So this is all about today's class. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.